Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Steel Inserts is probably one of the most versatile and unsung heroes in the world of woodworking, offering a robust solution for creating durable and reliable threaded connections in wood, which is far superior to traditional methods. This video will dive deep into what makes steel threaded inserts so special, exploring their various types, applications, installation techniques, and helping you choose the perfect inserts for your next project, ensuring your creations stand the test of time and heavy use. Number 5. 14-20 Hex Drive Inserts. These threaded inserts are perfect for creating strong, reliable connections in wood. They're easy to install and come with everything you need. It features a 15 mm length with an 11.7 mm head diameter and an 8 mm body diameter. A 6 mm Allen wrench is included for installation. For softer woods, simply drill an appropriately sized hole, 8.5 mm, 9 mm, or 9.5 mm, and screw it in. The outer threads will easily cut into the wood. For hardwoods like oak or maple, drill a hole slightly smaller than the outer thread diameter, around 9.5 mm or 10 mm. Avoid drilling too small a hole to prevent splitting. This 40-piece set provides ample inserts for all your projects. It's the ideal solution for furniture making and other woodworking applications. What we like. It comes with 40 pieces, perfect for various projects. The 15 mm length offers great versatility for different wood thicknesses. If you need a simple and easy-to-use solution for your wood projects, this is a great choice. What people say. The inserts went in easily and I had no issues with stripping the hex heads. Used these when making a kid's bed. These inserts work fantastic. Had no problem with them, just make sure you drill the correct size pilot hole. I used about 25 inserts for this project. They all drove in without damage to the inserts or the driver. The 14-20 bolts used to secure the cleats fit nicely without any problems. I was able to remove a few inserts and reuse them in a different location with no problems. Number 4. Threaded Inserts 40-pack. These threaded inserts are perfect for your wood furniture projects. They're made of high-quality carbon steel for lasting durability and easy installation. With a head diameter of 0.445 inches and a body diameter of 0.315 inches, they're designed for a secure fit. The 14-20 threads ensure a strong hold in your wood. Made from high-quality carbon steel, these inserts offer superior hardness and a long-lasting hold in your wood. They're built to last. Installation is simple with the included Allen wrench. Just drill the appropriate sized hole for your wood type and screw them in. They are perfect for various wood types, from softwoods to hardwoods. Ensure a secure and lasting connection for your furniture projects. Your package includes 40 threaded inserts and a convenient 1/4-inch Allen wrench for easy installation. Everything you need is right here. What we like. Made from high-quality carbon steel, it ensures a long-lasting hold in your wood. Its durability makes it suitable for various applications. If you prioritize durability and strength for your furniture projects, then this is the one for you. What people say. They make the best way to make sure the rail does not get sloppy and loose. They are easy to fit and they feel as if they are welded onto the rail. Used them for my work desk. Got an autonomous premium frame and IKEA Tomra tabletop. I didn't want to screw directly to particle board tabletop since it wouldn't last long in case I moved the desk around. Ended up buying these. Just completed the project and worked out perfectly. Don't have to worry about detaching the tabletop multiple times from frame anymore. I love that these are solid steel inserts and not cheap zinc-plated imitations. Things like these are so overlooked in the projects that we build, but it's quite reassuring to know that once you install these inserts they are going to work exactly as planned and will last the life of the product as needed. Number 3. Easy LOK Knife Inserts. Say goodbye to stripped threads in your hardwood projects. These inserts provide a superior hold and are perfect for furniture, cabinets, and more. It uses a unique knife thread to slice into the wood, creating an incredibly strong and secure connection. This ensures your projects will last. Choose from brass or stainless steel, depending on your needs. Stainless steel is best for hardwoods and where corrosion resistance is important. They're designed for use in hardwoods like oak, cherry, and maple. They're perfect for any application where a strong, reliable thread is needed. Installation is a breeze. You can install them easily with a screwdriver, bolt jam nut, or our optional EZ LOK drive tool. With these inserts, creating strong, reliable threads in hardwood is simple and efficient. Get yours today. What we like. Its unique knife thread design provides superior holding power, especially in hardwood. The stainless steel material ensures durability and corrosion resistance. If you're working with hardwoods and need a strong, reliable insert, this is your best bet. What people say. Installing stainless steel 8 to 32 inserts into the heel of any bolt-on neck will create the best neck joint you could possibly hope for. This is a fairly simple procedure that will yield excellent sonic transference between an electric guitar's neck and body. This sonic quality is truly noticeable by most players. I used these to provide a strong anchor for attaching metal legs to a 1-inch thick black walnut desk. Although I had never done this before, it worked out well. Strong and sharp. The inserts went in perfectly and worked very well. Number 2. Wood Fastener Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for your next woodworking project. It's perfect for furniture making, repairs, and more. You'll receive threaded inserts, T-nuts, bolts, and washers, all in various sizes to suit your needs. Everything is organized for easy access and use. The threaded inserts and T-nuts are made of durable zinc-plated carbon steel. The bolts and washers are stainless steel for superior corrosion resistance. Installation is straightforward. We provide the correct drill bit sizes for both soft and hard woods to ensure a perfect fit every time. These fasteners are ideal for furniture making, repairs, and countless other woodworking projects. They create a flush surface for a professional finish. The T-nuts have a barrel height of 5/16 inch, a flange diameter of 11/16 inch, and an overall height of 3/8 inch. These dimensions ensure a secure and reliable connection. This kit is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It simplifies the process of creating strong, lasting wood joints. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes inserts, T-nuts, bolts, and washers, providing everything you need. The inclusion of T-nuts offers additional versatility for your projects. If you need a complete solution for your wood furniture repair or construction, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The kit has everything you need, including 2 Allen wrenches for the inserts and the screws. You will need your own drill and drill bits. I've matched them with other inserts and they work as they should. I checked every bolt and nut in the box and they all thread perfect. Used half of the inserts so far, and they have all held up fine. T-nuts are strong. There are about 10 of each type and size, along with screws to match. Half you drive in with a hammer and half you screw into the wood. Screw-ins have an Allen wrench fitting on top and you get an Allen wrench for each size. The Allen wrench is much better than the kind with a flat screwdriver fitting on top. They work great. Number 1. EZ LOK 400-4 CR Kit. This kit makes installing threaded inserts in wood incredibly easy. It includes everything you need for a quick and secure installation. The kit contains 6 1/4-20 knife thread inserts, a drill bit, and a specialized installation tool. You won't need to source anything else. It provides strong, reliable machine threads in wood, perfect for furniture, cabinetry, and more. They are made of durable brass with UNC threads. Installation is a breeze with the included tools. Simply follow the instructions for a secure and professional-looking finish. These inserts are perfect for furniture, cabinetry, storm windows, and marine applications. They're versatile and built to last. It's made from high-quality stainless steel for superior corrosion resistance and longevity. This ensures a long-lasting, reliable solution. What we like. This kit includes everything for quick and easy installation. The included tools simplify the process significantly. If you value convenience and ease of installation, this kit is a great option for you. What people say. I needed to replace THS failed zinc threaded inserts in hardwood chair. Brass is not recommended, but these stainless steel ones are very good. The drill bit was exactly the right size and sharp, the inserts and tool worked like peanut butter and jelly, easy to love this brand. I decided to make a desk using custom height heavy-duty steel legs with a beautiful Swanner Hardwoods 1/3/4 thick maple butcher block desktop, so I did some internet research and watched some YouTube videos, then decided on this 1/4-20 kit. I put some tape tad higher on the bit than the height of the insert and drilled my holes. I was shocked when it worked. Using needle-nosed pliers, I removed all the little bits of wood from the holes before adding the inserts. I took it slowly with an impact driver and the first insert went in like a charm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.